If you're after a capable work truck that still feels modern, check out this 2021 Ford F-150 Super Cab here at Bryan's Car Corner in Chickasha. It's got four-wheel drive for when the weather or the job site gets rough, and under the hood is a fuel-efficient 2.7-liter six-cylinder paired with an automatic transmission rated for 18 city and 24 highway miles per gallon. This truck also comes with a solid list of driver assist features, including lane keeping assist, a pre-collision warning system, and front and side curtain airbags. It's showing right around 133,000 miles on the odometer. The price is $27,995 plus a $299 dock fee for a final price of $28,294. We work with over 30 banks and credit unions. Come see it in person or check it out at bryans.carcorner.com.